Now watch. Can you see what I'm doing here? Can you see what I'm doing here? Now, what I'm doing here is how to fix MP3 cable. You see what I did here now? After you have opened a space from the MP where you can pass your wire, understand? So after that, you have to do this thing I'm doing here now. You have to tight the wire inside the MP, understand? So the purpose of this thing that I did here is so that any mistakenly you draw the wire outside, it won't affect where you solder the wire from the panel. Understand? Please, as you are watching, make sure you are clicking the follow button so that you can get another video whenever I posted another one. Keep on following me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Keep on following Engineer Chinedu for more video. As you are soldering it, then you make sure it's very neat and strong. You get? Now, after you have soldered the cable, you have to check if it's working. Can you see what that power bank did? Once I plug that cable from that power bank, the power bank tripped off, which shows that it's wrong connection. You see, now I have corrected it. Now you have seen that it's charging. Then keep watching. There is the most important thing I want you to learn in this video. There is the most important thing I would like you to learn in this video, which so many people has failed to know. Understand? Keep on watching this video to learn these things. Okay. Now that I have successfully soldered the wire properly, let me couple this MP so that you will see the way it will look like. You know, I have seen so many people that fix cable in their MP3, and once you carry your MP3, then you carry cable. That is what they call rough work. It is not professional. Understand? So the most professional way to fix this cable is this way that I fix it now. Keep watching this video. Keep watching to see how the outcome will look like. Then, if it's you to compare this type and the other type that you guys used to fix, which one is better? Keep watching. Now let's check the MP to show you that it is charging. You see? Can you see the red bulb? Can you see it? is charging. That is a red bulb for charging indicator. Now see the outcome. You see, you can even put this cable inside the MP whenever you are done charging it. You see, you can put the cable, no matter how long it is, you can still put it inside. Not every technician knows this. Keep watching and learn. Share this video to others to learn also. Share this video to others, to other technicians, to all your friends that is making use of MP3. No matter how small that MP3 look, you will still put the cable inside. Keep on following Engineer Chinedu Christian for more video. Thank you and share this video.